If you want to post videos on TikTok without getting copyrighted, here's a simple method to follow. First, always use music from TikTok's licensed sound library. When you tap on Add Sound in the video editor, choose from the sounds available there. These are safe and won't trigger copyright strikes. Second, avoid using songs downloaded from YouTube, Spotify, or other platforms. Even short clips can get your video taken down or muted. Another tip is to create your own original sounds. You can record your voice, create beats, or use royalty-free music from trusted websites. TikTok even allows you to upload these sounds for others to use while keeping your video copyright safe. Finally, if you want to use popular music outside TikTok, check for royalty-free or copyright-free versions labeled for commercial use. This ensures your content stays safe and visible. And that's all. By following these steps, your TikTok videos can stay up without copyright issues. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.